Hello, everyone, and welcome to Sweet Data. Today, we're going to take a beginner-friendly approach to Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the fundamentals needed for data entry, manipulation, and simple analysis. Let's start with the very basics. Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets are incredibly powerful tools for managing and analyzing data. At the heart of these applications are spreadsheets, which consist of essential components like cells, rows, and columns. As you can see, a spreadsheet is essentially a grid of cells, and each cell is your canvas for data input. Columns are labeled with letters, and rows are numbered. You can simply click on any cell to select it and begin entering your data. Now, let's learn how to efficiently enter data into Excel and Google Sheets. You can input text, numbers, and dates into cells. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes because you can easily edit or delete the content. To speed things up, you can take advantage of shortcuts to navigate and edit cells more efficiently. The next key aspect is formatting, which is crucial for making your spreadsheet look clean and organized. You have various formatting options at your disposal. This includes changing text styles, colors, and aligning cell content. Moreover, you can format numbers, set decimal places, and apply currency symbols. These tools are invaluable for enhancing the visual appeal of your data. One of the most powerful features of Excel and Google Sheets is their ability to perform calculations and functions. Let's explore basic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can easily perform these calculations by using formulas. Simply start with equal sign and type out your formula. For instance, to add two numbers, you type equals A1 plus B1. Excel and Google Sheets will automatically calculate the result for you. Managing data becomes a breeze when you can sort and filter it. You can sort data in ascending or descending order based on a selected column. Filtering allows you to display specific data that meets certain criteria, making it a powerful tool for analysis. Visualizing data through charts and graphics is essential for better understanding and communicating your data. Both Excel and Google Sheets offer a range of chart types, from bar charts to pie charts, making it easy to represent your data visually. To wrap it up, we've covered the fundamental aspects of Excel and Google Sheets, from data entry to basic calculations, formatting, data sorting and filtering, and creating charts. These skills are just the tip of the iceberg in the world of spreadsheets, but they provide a strong foundation for your data management and analysis needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Sweet Data for more tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, practice is the key to mastering Excel and Google Sheets, so keep experimenting and learning. Have a great day, and happy spreadsheet adventures!